In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a published post on Substack. If you've already sent something live and spotted a typo, need to update a link, or want to clarify a section, this quick process will help you make clean, professional edits without starting from scratch. First, head to your Substack home. Make sure you're signed into your publication so you're on the dashboard, not the public site. The home view is your control center. It's where you'll find writing tools, performance insights, and shortcuts to manage your posts. If you manage multiple publications, confirm you're in the right one before moving on. Next, click on Posts. This takes you to your full content list in one place. You'll see categories like Drafts, Scheduled, and Published. Since we're editing something that's already live, focus on your published posts. This view makes it easy to scan your headlines, dates, and performance at a glance, so you can pick the exact piece you want to update. Now, find the post you want to change and click Edit. This opens the editor with the live version loaded. You're working on the same post that readers see, so changes here will update the web version once you save. Take a second to confirm you've opened the correct article, especially if you have a few with similar titles. Go ahead and make your changes. Clean up typos, tighten sentences, or refresh your headline and subhead for clarity. You can update images, adjust captions, and fix or replace links by pasting the correct URLs. If you need to tweak formatting, use the built-in toolbar for bold, italics, quotes, or headings so everything stays consistent. While you're here, glance over spacing, paragraph breaks, and list formatting to keep the reading experience smooth. If you're making a substantial update, like adding new information, consider adding a brief note at the top so readers know what changed and why. That kind of transparency builds trust and reduces confusion for returning visitors. When you're satisfied, click Update, sometimes labeled Publish Changes. This is your save and apply moment. Substack will process the update, and your live post will reflect the edits immediately. Depending on your publication settings, this action updates the web version without resending the original email to subscribers, which is usually what you want for quick fixes. If your setup includes additional confirmation prompts, just follow them to finalize. That's it. You went to Substack Home, opened Posts, chose Edit on your published piece, made your improvements, and clicked Update to push everything live. With this workflow, you can keep your post accurate, polished, and up to date in just a few minutes.